Hi, this is Sean with TriState Water Works. A lot of people have smart controllers these days, and if you think about it, what makes a controller smart? Well, it has to have some data, then it needs to take that data and make decisions based on it. So how can you make your smart controller smarter? How about adding a flow meter? What is a flow meter? It's basically a water meter that calculates or measures how much water is flowing to your irrigation system, and it sends that data to your smart controller. So in our respect with the HydroWise, if let's say the HydroWise is not running, so you don't have any water going, but the flow meter detects water moving through the system, you can have your HydroWise app alert you that there is a leak, because it says we have what we call unintentional flow. So there's water flowing when nothing is turned on. The other thing you can do is if you have a broken sprinkler head and like say a nozzle's missing or the top of it got chopped off by a lawnmower, it'll detect a high flow rate for that particular zone when it's running. And it can again alert you that there's an issue with it or shut that station off and move on to the next station. Nice thing about these flow meters as well, it can show you how much water you're using each month. And again, if you looked at a previous video, there are a lot of different graphs and reports. You can give a report showing your actual water use from month to month. So not only knowing what your water savings is, but your actual water cost for your lawn sprinkler. And a lot of time we get calls from customers saying, my water bill was crazy. Well, here, if that's the situation, we can look in the report and say, yep, you used a lot of water this month. And we can look at when the water was used by the timestamp on it. And we might say, well, something happened there because you weren't even supposed to be running. The system wasn't programmed to run at that time. Maybe there was a stuck valve. So it helps us diagnose things, helps us save water, and it helps us to realize when there's an issue with your system so that it can be repaired promptly and save you water.